What's up, everyone? My name is Dora and you're watching Creative Bath Lab. What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make bath potions. This project is very easy and loads of fun. I've been wanting to make something for kids for a while now, and I thought that this would be perfect. It's fun for all ages, even adults, but I think that the kids will absolutely love it. You'll need a container and something colorful and fizzy to put in it, like bath bomb powder, chunks, and/or embeds. Use an embed maker to make little colorful shapes. An embed maker has many tiny shapes in one mold. I highly recommend one that pushes the shapes out of the other side to make it easier. Choose one that goes with your bath potion theme, like mermaid tails for a sea theme or stars and moons for a twilight theme. Chunkados offers a wide variety of shapes and sizes, which will be linked in the description. Here I'm adding color powder. For that tutorial, click the information icon. This is a fairly standard recipe, but you don't have to follow it exactly. I'm adding liquid colorant as well, which you do not have to do, but for that tutorial, click the icon. I added an array of wet ingredients to thicken it up so the mix stays wet and workable for longer. You'll notice that this recipe creates a very wet mix, which is best for embed makers. Thoroughly mix, knead, and then rub the mixture with your hands. Add mix to each hole. Keep filling and packing it until it's full. The embed maker is easier to work with if you only fill it partially, like leave one row without mix. Once the embed maker is full and packed, put the top plate on and forcefully push down to pack the embeds. Push the embeds out just a bit, then smush and flatten the surface to pack them even more. Now, carefully push them out completely. Let them dry at least 24 hours. To make the bath bomb powder, mix another batch of dry ingredients. You don't have to add liquid, but I do because it adds fragrance and additional color. Plus, I like the way it creates texture in clumps, so it's not just fine powder. I added 2 milliliters each of liquid color, fragrance, and polysorbate 80. Let it dry 24 hours, or you can actually use it damp. I ended up trying 3 different containers, which are all linked in the description along with every discount code that I could find. The Erlenmeyer flasks are really cute and fit perfectly with the bath potions theme, and they're reusable. The test tubes are also nice, or you can even use these adorable bags as they are perfect single serving size and they're super cute. They look like glass jars with cork lids. Also, they'd be perfect if you're selling them, which I'm seriously considering doing because this was so much fun. Okay, so grab your container and start filling. Start with bath bomb powder. Add glittery bath salt for sparkling flair between the layers. Add embeds and bath bomb chunks to add texture and pops of color. Add decoration like eco-friendly glitter to add a bit of magic and sprinkles that tie in with the theme for a personal touch that makes it special. Ooh, and don't forget the pop rocks to add sound. Here are a few examples to spike your creative interest. This one is called Happy Berry, and it has, pink, blue, purple. This is Mermaid. This is Melon Sorbet, or Citrus Blast, however you want to spin that. It's going to focus more on the pinks, orange, yellow, citrusy colors. This one is Wish Upon a Star, and this is the first one I made, and so you can see I really don't have my groove yet on how to package it. And there's a big clump of pop rocks stuck right here. This one is Unicorn. And this one is Lava. I'm not gonna lie, I got this idea off of product page on Amazon. Unlike bath bombs, these last a long time. Each beaker lasted 20 minutes, and that's with me constantly pouring water and stirring the mixture. Obviously, the more you pack it and the more stuff you add, the longer it's gonna last. I've gotta tell you, I had the most fun with this project, not only making the bath potions, but using them as well. And I especially loved how creative I got to be. Check out how many times the foam changes colors. It goes from green to jade to turquoise to lime to yellow. I'm telling you, your kids are just going to love this project. It's really neat. And you don't necessarily have to have a theme per se, but it's nice as you can put a cute label in there with a name, and it definitely makes choosing colors, fragrance, and decorations easier. You can even make bath potions for special occasions and holidays, like these would be perfect for a child's birthday party as favors. Also, this is a great way to recycle bath bombs. Like if you made a batch of bath bombs and they crumble apart or are soft or just not up to your standards, recycle them into something like this so that you can still be proud of them and when you give them away or even sell them. Matter of fact, except for the lava one, all of the powder and chunks are made from recycled bath bombs. The rest of these are made from embeds. You can use embeds as a fun way to teach your kids the primary colors and all of the other colors they make. Embeds also make bath time fun. When my son was around 4 years old, I always kept the bathroom stocked with Crayola color tablets for his bath. Alright y'all, thanks for watching. Subscribe now for more awesome tutorials just like this. Just click my picture right there in the middle.